Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable the on-screen keyboard on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back to settings, go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, select the ease of access tile. And then on the left side, scrolling down again underneath interaction, select where it says keyboard. On the right side where it says use the on-screen keyboard, click inside that oval to toggle it on, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And then you can do the Control O shortcut key combination with the Windows key. So Control, Windows, and O can open and close the on-screen keyboard as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.